The story of the clothes seller and the wise buyer. A clothes seller named Arman prided himself on his expensive fabrics. One day, a woman came to his stall and admired a golden cloth. "How much is this?" she asked. 500 gold coins, Arman replied confidently. The woman asked, "Is it better than other clothes?" Arman bragged, "It's the best." She handed him a simple piece of cloth and said, "Show me how it's stronger and softer." Arman tried, but the simple cloth proved to be both softer and stronger. The woman smiled and said, "True worth isn't just in the price, it's in the quality." Arman realized his mistake and promised to focus on true value, not just appearances. Moral of the story: quality is more important than price or appearance.